How can you make a 10 to help you add? Sean has 5 red blocks and 9 blue blocks. How many blocks does he have? We can model this problem with counters on the 10 frame. The add-ins are 5 and 9. 9 is the greater add-in, so use red counters inside the 10 frame to show 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sean has 5 red blocks and 9 blue blocks. How many blocks does he have? We can model this problem with counters on the 10 frame. The add-ins are 5 and 9. 9 is the greater add-in, so use red counters inside the 10 frame to show 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The other add-in is 5. We can use yellow counters below the 10 frame to show 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The model now shows 9 plus 5. There are 9 counters in the 10 frame. How many more counters do we need to fill the 10 frame? We need 1 more counter. Move the yellow counter to the 10 frame. We took 1 counter from the 5 to make 10. Now the model shows the add-ins 10 and 4. 10 plus 4. You still have the same number of counters. What is the sum of 10 plus 4? 14. Since you have the same number of counters, what is the sum of 5 plus 9? 14. The sum of both addition sentences is 14. Sean has 14 blocks. What's 9 plus 7? We can use counters in a 10 frame to make a 10. We start with the greater add-in, 9. Drag 9 yellow counters into the 10 frame.
Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
Great! The 10 frame shows the first add-in, 9. The other add-in is 7. Drag 7 red counters below the 10 frame.
Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Great! The red counters below the 10 frame show the other add-in, 7. How many counters do we need to fill the 10 frame? We need 1 more counter because 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Let's break apart the 7 into 1 plus 6. Move 1 red counter into the 10 frame. We have the same number of counters. So 9 plus 7 is the same as 9 plus 1 plus 6. There are 10 counters in the 10 frame. So 9 plus 1 plus 6 is the same as 10 plus 6. 9 plus 1 is 10. What's 10 plus 6? 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. What's 9 plus 7?
It would be the same.
Good job! 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. 9 plus 7 has the same sum as 10 plus 6.
math class today?
You're Invisible Bear Leonard.
Mm-hmm. Say hello to Professor Burger, Leonard. Leonard? He's a little shy.
Mm-hmm. Well, how about Leonard watches as you and I think about a math puzzle together?
Oh, that's great. Watch along, Leonard.
Okay, here we go. So here's the challenge. We want to write to show how we can actually make a 10 and then add and actually see what 8 plus 6 equals.
Oh!
Okay, so I'm going to use a 10 frame. So here's a 10 frame, and we're going to use counters to try to model this.
Oh, wonderful!
Okay, so first I'm going to bring in 8. So I'm going to bring in 8 red counters, and I'm going to put them in.
Oh, Leonard likes red counters.
Oh, I'm so happy. And you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8.
That's exactly right. So we have the 8 counters in red. Now we want to add, add on 6 more.
Okay.
So now I'm going to try to capture that using yellow counters. And so here we go using yellow counters. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to do it right now.
Leonard's ready too.
I hope so, because here they come.
Oh.
Now, the first thing I want to do is use these counters to actually make up a 10.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take this counter and I'm going to put it right in here.
Settle down, Leonard. He's very excited.
I can see that. And then this counter and put it right in there.
Oh, yes, Leonard, yes, it's 10.
Now, so exactly right. So Leonard got that right. And what do we see? We see that we had 8 to begin with. So we had 8 to begin with. And then how much did I add right here?
Leonard says you added 2.
2 is correct. And then now, how many more do I have to add left? 1, 2, 3,
4.
Exactly. So I have to add 4 more. And that's going to equal my answer. But Leonard apparently just said that when I took the 8 and added the 2, that actually gave me 10.
That's right.
So in fact, this is just
So smart.
10 plus 4. And now that's actually going to be an easy addition sentence to finish because 10 plus 4 equals, in fact, what did he say?
He said 14.
And that's absolutely correct. He's quite good. So what we see is that the original question, 8 plus 6, we can finish that addition sentence and say it equals 14. And how did we do it? The way we did it, Jeannie and Invisible Bear Leonard, was to realize that we could first make a 10 by adding 8 and 2, that gave 10, and then we have to add 4 more, and when we add the 4 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, there they are, we see 10 and 4, that gives the 14. And so we see 8 plus 6 equals 14, and that's the answer.
That was great. Leonard loved it.
Yes.
That frame just reminded me that perhaps since it's Leonard's first time in school, that we should take a picture. Did you bring your cell phone?
I have my cell phone. Do you want me to really take a picture?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'm going to take a picture of you.
Now, stand up nice and tall and smile.
Okay, I see you.
Higher. He's very tall.
Okay, is that better?
Okay, click away.
Okay, hold on, smile. Got it.
Okay, let me see.
Take a look.
Oh, Leonard, your eyes were closed. Let's do another.
Have fun with math. We'll see you soon.